Sunday, April 28, 2024, fifth Sunday of Easter. Focus. Whoever keeps his commandments abides in God. Today, we hear about some of the challenges faced by the early Christians. Paul had persecuted the Jerusalem church, so when he returned there, they were naturally suspicious of him. The second reading tells us of the church at Ephesus about 40 years later, when there were already several heretical leaders with many followers, both pagans and lapsed Christians. Some groups were morally lax and some boasted of their mystical experiences. St. John's community had mixed feelings about these false prophets. In this letter, he cuts to their doubts to the core of Christianity. Believing in the Son of God is important, and we prove we are of the truth by obeying Christ's commandments, especially by truly loving. If the Holy Spirit is clearly working in our lives, we know we are doing God's will and abiding in Him. We see how immersed the writer's own life was in the Holy Trinity. He assures us that the Father, Son, and Spirit work in total harmony. He is confident that we receive what we ask of God. In today's Gospel, Jesus urges us to abide in Him. The closeness of our relationship with Him is seen like the Jesus like fruit that we produce. Living attached to Christ is not easy. It often means painful pruning, which results in more fruit. Fruit. Do we stay close to Christ, suffering whatever is necessary in order to be fruitful Christians?